Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading and playing mobile games on a Windows 10 PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It's possible to play mobile games on a PC by using an Android emulator. There are lots of Android emulators to choose from, but in my opinion the best one is called GameLoop, previously known as Tencent Gaming Buddy. To install it, open up a web browser and head over to GameLoop.fun. Now select the download button next to any of the games. Run the downloaded program. This will open the GameLoop Game Center. Here you can browse different games. You can download as many games as you want for free. Manage your installed games from the My Games tab. You can now enjoy playing mobile games on your PC. You can play with the mouse and keyboard and change the key mapping however you'd like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.